Alright, so. Alright. Oh boy. I sent this last night on Google Classroom so that, y'all can take a look at it beforehand. All of y'all have this. I'm going to be passing out another worksheet for y'all. This will, I have the together part online as well, so we're going to be going over this. The worksheet that I'm about to pass out to y'all after this is what your quiz will look exactly like tomorrow. All right? So just be aware. All right? First things first, let's look at this, right? Name the angle or angles in the diagram described by each of the following, right? This looks similar to that of the problem that we did yesterday, right? So because it's similar to that, this should be familiar. So it's asking you, number one, complementary to BOC. Complementary to BOC. What angle is complementary to BOC? What do you think? This would be a good time for all of y'all to get your notes out. Cobb.
AOB.
Good job. AOB.
Like that. Okay.
All right. Right here. I'm going to use a brown marker. AOB.
Oh.
They are complementary because part plus part equals how much? With
90 degrees.
90 degrees, yes.
Okay.
Angle AOB is complementary with BOC.
Wait, L.
That's the angle.
L.
Okay? Yes, this sign right here means angle. Okay? Supplementary to DOB.
Oh.
DOB. DOB. That's a crooked line. What is supplementary to DOB? Wasserman?
EOA?
Huh?
No. Never mind.
Okay. Wait. Is it DOA?
No.
Is it A?
Mrs. Zakowski?
I thought it was AOB.
Good job. It is AOB. There's actually two answers to this. You have AOB. And what else? What's another one?
Oh.
You have angle AOB.
BOE.
Oh.
And-
Makes the yeah.
EOD.
Huh?
EOD?
I don't get this.
Angle EOD. E.
Oh, makes
Oh.
sense.
It's just which one
D.
to make it a straight line because
Okay.
supplementary is supplementary is 180, which is the straight line.
Okay? Do you understand? Say it louder, Ms. Zakowski.
Basically, supplementary is the one that makes the straight line. So which angles create the straight line?
Oh, AOB.
So this DOB right here, right?
Alright, I understand it.
You have AOB, which makes this a straight line. And you have EOD, which makes this a straight line.
I see it.
I know, but this is for also the students online who didn't see it.
Oh. Well.
Just
Anyway, so adjacent to AOC. What angle is adjacent to AOC? It's adjacent and supplementary.
DOC.
There you go. Who said that? Floyd, good job,
I gave
man.
him the answer. He's
Good
in
job.
trouble.
DOC. Okay? DOC. Angle DOC. Good job. Alright? It's that simple.
Just connecting.
Y'all need to learn this. Please. Please understand. Alright? Let's put this into practice, shall we? Alright? It helps if you label. Okay? One of the main things about geometry that is not so much used in Algebra 2 and Algebra 1 is labeling, okay? In geometry, labeling will tremendously help you out, all right? Let me show you how. Look at number 4, all right? Measure of angle AOB. This angle right here. is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Okay? Measure of BOC, this angle right here,
2x plus 15.
2x plus 15.
And AO.
And then AOC, the whole thing, right? The whole thing the whole thing is equal to 8x plus 8. Hopefully that's showing up.
Oh no.
Yes, it is. 8x plus 8, right? We have 8x plus 8. So it's asking you, what is the measure of x? What is the measure of AOB, BOC, and AOC?
What?
Look at your paper. It's right there. It's down on the bottom. And it's giving you this whole, I gave you this whole space when I was creating these. I gave you the whole space for you to work the problem out, okay?
So multi-step.
It's a multi-step equation, but yes, it is. But not only that, it is also one of your definitions. This is where it drives home part plus part equals whole. Okay?
What?
Part plus part equals whole. In this type of situation, you have. It's okay, it's okay. No, this is what they encompass. Okay? Part plus part equals whole. Okay? Part plus part equals whole. This is the basic foundation for complementary and supplementary angles. Y'all should write this down.
Oh yeah.
Okay? You should write this down. Write this down. Part plus part equals whole. Okay? What does this mean? That means this part plus this part equals the whole thing. Okay? So, and this is why the labeling helps. Okay? This is why it helps. Because you have this part right here, AOB. This angle, which is 4x minus 1. Plus this part right here, BOC, which is 2x plus 15, is equal to the whole thing, right? Which is AOC, AOC, the angle that takes the whole cake, okay?
Wait.
With that whole angle, which is 8x
How? It's 2 4
plus 8, okay? You see how I labeled that and how I put them both together?
Yeah. No.
Y'all see that?
How do you get 4x plus 2x equals 8? No, he's just putting the
Or is that
things
just
together.
a different thing?
He's putting the.
Go ahead, Floyd.
So the 4x at the bottom right there, you see that? And the 2x, he's just putting it all together, and then the one that equals all that, you put it together. He's just putting it all together.
Did you see it? You see it?
Basically forming an equation by x.
For
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Because in geometry, I'm gonna be honest with you, in geometry, it's not so much me giving you the equation, but you need
You
to
have to
use
find it.
clues in order to form the equation so that you can find your
Alright,
x,
that makes
okay?
sense. Good, thanks.
You need to form it. So, looking at this, now that we formed our equation, solve it like a regular multi-step, okay?
Yeah, this part is not working.
Combine like this is why I went over multi-steps first, okay? This is why I went over this first, because in all of your equations for the rest of the year, you will be looking at equations like this, regular multi-step equations. It's not gonna get any harder than this. What's gonna get harder is you forming the equation, okay? Y'all are gonna be doing so many multi-step equations that you're gonna be praying, okay, how do I get this to this part right here? so that I can just go ahead and solve for x. Because once you get to this part, it's smooth sailing from there. You have a variable on either side of the equal sign, and you're combining like terms right here. I mean, let's be real. 6x
Plus 14
plus
equals
14 is equal to 8x plus 8.
Yeah, see, this part is easy. But
Yeah,
I just didn't understand how to form the thing, but
it's,
now I do.
it's quite all right.
That's like working out. So,
X equals 2,
Good job.
yes.
Good job. Huh?
Yeah.
x equals 3.
Yeah, that's what I
I
got.
was about to say, 8 minus 14 is equal to a negative 6. No. Yes, that is.
No, I did
negative
it the opposite way though.
6, right? I mean, I don't care however way you do it, as long as your answer is correct, right?
Or the third.
It equals
It's
3.
just some positive.
Okay? So x is equal to 3, right? But do we stop right there?
Yeah.
No, we don't. Look what it's asking. What is the measure of angle AOB, BOC, and AOC? Okay? So once we find our x, we plug it in.
Oh.
We plug it in. AOB, right? We got 4 times 3 minus 1.
That's 12. No, that's 11.
12 minus 1.
11.
Good job. Boom. BOC, 2x, or 2 times 3
6 plus 15.
plus 15. We have 6 plus 15 is what?
Oh, no.
21.
21.
Who did that?
I did.
Oh, I thought that was Blake for a second.
No.
He said no.
All right. 8x plus 8. 8 times 3 plus 8.
24.
32.
Now, there's different ways that you can do this. You can plug this into the problem, and you can double check your answer, because 11 plus 21 is what?
Oh. Okay, never mind.
What's 11 plus 21?
32.
32, right? 3 plus 8 is 24, plus 8 is what? 32, okay? So, you can either add these two together to make 32, or you could just plug your 3 into the equation of AOC to make 32. And that's a good way for you to just also double check your answer as well, to make sure that you're right. Cool?
Yeah.
Bet. Okay.
Bet.
It's freezing.
It's not that cold.
Blue.
This is boring.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that this is boring. Everybody got this down?
Yeah.
I know I'm talking fast.
Hold up, I'm just copying down the last part.
Flip up.
Okay. Remember, in your angle addition postulate, this is your angle addition postulate, okay? Your angle addition postulate is part plus part equals whole, okay? That is your angle addition postulate. You will be seeing a whole lot more of this.
Wait, so Mr. Congress, so the 3 that was in the parentheses is x?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
you're just substituting